Welcome back to Bayham Farm. So on New Year's Eve, we went and we bought a tractor. And today they're going to deliver it, so we're waiting on the delivery. We got us a Kubota because we're really going to need it out here on the new place. We've got a lot of work, groundwork to do and yard work to do, and then all the maintaining it. So we were like, we better go ahead and do it. And they had a good deal going, so we took advantage of it. So they'll be here shortly with it. It's here.